What if the difference between amateur product photos and brand-ready content was just one sentence? So here's the use case. I have 8 product photos, all shot with a white background, honestly, flat and forgettable. And the goal, which I'll showcase by the end of this video, is to transform them into high-quality product photos as if they were taken in a professional photography studio. I didn't have to hire a photographer, book out a studio, use Photoshop. All I had to do was type in a description and an AI agent from Picsart took care of the rest. This is honestly the quickest way to get to professional brand imagery that I have found, and I'm so excited to share it with you. Let's get into the video. So Picsart just launched their suite of AI agents, and I want to be very specific about what I mean when I say AI agent, because the term gets thrown around a lot. So this isn't a chatbot. It's not a once-off prompt that you'll copy and paste into ChatGPT. It's not prompt engineering. An AI agent, in the most simplistic way to explain it, is you give it a goal and it works towards that goal without needing any babysitting. And what I mean by this is Picsart, for example, have a whole marketplace full of these AI agents, and each of them has a specialty. So one, for example, is focused on resizing content across platforms for you. Another one is its whole goal is to transform images. One is for product photography, for e-commerce websites. And the one we're going to look at today is called the swap agent. And that's essentially exactly what it is. It allows you to drop your images into a folder. It then extracts the image from the picture, keeps the image, so it uses something called the composite of the image, a copy and paste, and it generates, using AI, the entire background based on your description. So it's not trying to regenerate the image, because we found in the past that when AI tries to regenerate a product, it will change things. It will change the proportions of your product. It will change the text on your product if there is text. It changes your product so much so that you can't actually put that on your storefront or your website, because then you sit with a problem. What you're trying to put out there and advertise in your product photography is not actually the exact product. So this fixes it, because it generates the background using AI and then copies and pastes the product itself, cuts it out of the image that you upload and places it into that background seamlessly, as if it exists in that exact background. All right, so let's have a look at the exact workflow. All right, so this is our business X, and these are the images that we have. We've got 8 of these, right? So you can see they're all good product photos taken on a white background and really basic images, right? So those are our images. All right, and now we're in Picsart. So what you want to do is you want to come through to projects, head over to projects, and then go ahead to this new button and create a new folder. Once you create a new folder, I've already got business X over here. You can go into that folder and you can upload your images. Just drag and drop them in. And then this is the key thing. There's an add description that you want to add. So in this description, you want to be very specific as to what you want to do. So in our case, what we're going to do is going to go add description. And then I've got a description ready, and I'm going to say showcase each product resting on a rich, dark walnut wood grain surface, moody and directional lighting with subtle shadows to create depth, clean and premium feel. That's all we need, right? So we're going to save that. So our folder's saved and we've got our description with our images in there. Now here's the cool part. What you're going to do is you're going to go to the share button, just like you would on a Google Drive, and you want to share it, right? But we're not going to share it with a person. We're going to share it with an agent, because that's exactly what an agent is. It's going to execute a task for us. So we've got the swap agent over here, right, that I've already given access to, but easily enough, you can just go to add an email and you can add the agent, right? So you could share it with your team, but in this case, we're going to share it with an agent. So we have a whole bunch of agents available here. We're going to choose the swap agent. And here you're going to give it access rights. So it's got edit access, and you're going to click invite. So you can invite it to your folder, and the description of your folder is telling the agent what you want to accomplish. So while that's running, and we'll look at the results shortly, I just want to talk a little bit about what the real unlock here is. And for me, it's consistency. When you're editing backgrounds one by one using a whole bunch of different tools, each one comes out slightly different. There could be different light interpretations, different edge qualities, and at scale, this is going to cause a problem. So if you go into something like Nano Banana, having that consistent background quality or standard is difficult to achieve. With something like Picsart, because it's all in one folder, you're looking at everything in one go. And that folder can have as many images as you want. So you can pile everything in, and then it all runs with the exact same prompt, and it kind of picks off of and learns off of each other. So they all come out real consistent when it comes to the actual background. All right, so the results are in. We've got a new folder that's been created for us. So the agent's running the background, and we've got the swap results folder with 8 items, which matches our initial 8 items. Let's open this up. And there you go. You can see that we've got that wooden, that high quality walnut wood background that we were after for all of these images. And we can make these a little bit bigger so you can have a look. You can see that one over there. Open up another one. There you go. You can see how good that came out. And just like that, we've been able to change the background for all of these different product types in an instant with one description. And what's awesome about this is it's continuous. So you can just drop in new product images and the agent will process them. And when you're ready for the agent to stop processing, you can literally go to the share button and you can remove its access. So if you're a small business or brand that doesn't have a big budget and you want to shoot your products, this is a no-brainer. It's one shoot of your products on a white background, and then you can create any environment that you want in an instant. Plus, if you're a freelancer and you sell services like this is a quick and nice way to start making some money. Reach out to some small businesses, say you can do product imagery for them in any environment. You can use something like Picsart, and there you go, you got a little side hustle going. Picsart also have a range of new AI agents coming to their lineup, and if you want to go check them out, there'll be a link in the description below. You know what to do.